Hello, I am back with another video. I pray that this video reach you all in good spirit and in good health. May God bless you. I'll be sharing with you today a simple plantain bread recipe.
I'm not a cook, I'm not a bake. My kitchen is the place.
So here I have a plantain an overripe plantain, I should say, that was frozen and defrosted. Just gonna cut it, remove the skin, and I'm going to actually blend this. I use just about 2 tablespoons of room temperature water. You can pop this in a food processor, but I opted for a blender. And this is what it looks like, plantain puree. Here I have my bowl, a room temperature egg. Just gonna crack that in there. I'm gonna go in with some vanilla essence. Use a wire whisk to whisk it really well. You can use a handheld mixer if you so choose. I didn't want to do all that washing up just for one bread, so I decided to use that. Here I have some brown sugar. The granules were rather large, so I decided to blend it to a powdery form. And also, for better texture, it made the bread very light. I'm going with some melted butter here. And I'm going with my plantain puree. Make sure that you're using unsalted butter. Going with my plantain puree, then I'm just gonna whisk it up, get it nice and blended really well. Probably about a minute or so. And that's about it. I'm just gonna go in with my dry ingredients. I have my all-purpose flour here. Gonna go in with some cinnamon, nutmeg, baking powder, and some salt. You sift this just to get rid of any lumps. Then I'm just gonna use my spatula to gently fold this in. I'll be using the spatula to start with, then I'll finish off with the wire whisk. So yesterday, I think it was, I was thinking about, editing this video and uploading it. Then I was thinking, what scripture am I going to post? I wasn't sure if I was going to get one from the Lord, and this was the one. This is the one that I actually got. John 3 verse 6. And for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish but have everlasting life. And simple. Salvation is free, guys. Tap in with the Lord. That's the only way home. Just confess with your mouth that Jesus Christ is Lord, that he died for your sin and he'll be coming back again. Surrender your all to him. He'll be coming back soon. He keeps saying soon. I know you've probably been hearing that for a while, but he keeps saying soon. When is soon, we don't know. Just make sure that you're fully clothed when he get here and ready. And most importantly, while we don't know when he will be returning, nobody knows, not even the angels in heaven. You don't know which day will be your last day. Many didn't wake up this morning, so get it right before it is too late. Hell is real, just as heaven is. You don't want to go there. So the batter is nice and ready. I poured it in my grease pan and pop it in a preheated oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Make sure you insert a skewer in the middle. Once that comes out dry, or a toothpick or a knife, it is ready, and it will have this nice golden brown color. This is nice and moist, guys. I kid you not. This is beautiful. The texture is on point. The flavor, everything is just well balanced. I did enjoy this. It didn't last too long. My son did enjoy it also, and the raisin gave it that extra kick. There was just something about the raisin, the flavor. It just brought out everything. Everything came together really nicely. Thank you for watching. I love you with the love of Christ. Until then now, bye.